Hey guys, it's your girl 𝐒𝐤𝐬𝐿𝐤 back with another video. Today in this video I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I was just thinking, what can I film for the new year? I was like, let me do something sit down. I decided to do a prepare with me for 2024. I'm gonna create a vision board. In order to create my vision board, I need to write down my goals for 2024 and then find some inspo and make my vision board. So yeah, let's get into it. Make sure you keep on watching to see how I prepare for 2024. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. And yeah, stay tuned, y'all. I have a lot of content coming next year. I hope you guys have a great New Year's. Happy New Year's to everyone. I hope 2024 is your year. I hope you get everything you want accomplished. Hope we can all win together. With that being said, let's get into it. And yeah. Alright, so I'm going to be doing my vision board now for 2024. I'm going to end up making two, but I'm only going to post one in this video. I think I'm going to do a vertical layout for this one, but I'm also going to make one for my laptop screen. I'm going to search iPhone wallpaper. Alright, so that's going to come up on Canva. It doesn't really matter what color the background is unless you want the background to show. Me personally, not really. So that's going to be that. Then I'm going to go to Pinterest. Alright, this is my Pinterest board. I'm going to scroll my home page a little bit, see if I see anything, but I kind of already know what I'm looking for. So I do like this one though. I'm just going to download my images. I think you can copy them, but I think it's easier just to save them. Alright, so I'm going to scroll for my images, see what I like. Alright, and I'm going to start searching some stuff. I'm going to start saving. Say you search a topic, save multiple that you like just in case you don't like the aesthetic of the way it looks on your vision board. I'm going to search a camera. I think I'll like make it and then I'll show you guys and maybe explain a few of them at the end of like what they mean to me and why I put them on my vision board. Alright, so I'm gonna make a little time lapse of me like looking for stuff. I do that 3-4 times again, I testify for you. I thought I like you, that bitch, I do it. All that I'm around, you scared of you. I'm not. Long as you joking, now in for me. I ain't got it. My bitch skinny, do it. I ain't your bodies. Long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. Tell the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Alright, I did a few. I'm not sure if I like them. I'm not sure if I'm gonna like them together, I should say. But now I'm just gonna go in and add all my pictures. And I just uploaded them. And we're just gonna start like messing around, seeing how it looks, you know. I'm gonna just add them all. I'm not gonna do too many at a time, but see, because I already lost one now.
When they say she get it from her mama say you fuck her right, body rude is unpolite. Tell me in a humble type, tell me is you down? Cause I'm trying to go up tonight. Balls and hoochies left and right. I just wanna live in a fantasy. I think we deserve it right. Top of the memory I've ever made in my life. Permanent ecstasy. Ladies is pimps tonight. Living inside
like continue, and I'm gonna come back and show you guys the finished results and what it looks like. Guys, I finally got it how I like it. I decided to make all my pictures black and white just because, I don't know, I feel like the pictures weren't looking that great together. So this is what it looks like with my black and white filter. Only thing now it's missing is the 2024 in the middle. I mean, you don't have to add that, personal preference, but I do want to add it. So you can either type it through the text tab, and then that way you could pick whatever font you want. But me personally, I like to go to elements to see what they already have. I found a couple. Now you have to pay attention to the pro and free features. Me personally, I pay for pro, so I could use any of the ones on this page. But if you don't pay for pro, just make sure not to pick the one with the little crown and the pro icon. There's a lot of good ones even if you don't want to pay for pro. So I picked this one because this is the one I like. So this is what it looks like, and it lets me change the color, and I want it to be pink, but I don't want that shade of pink. So I'm just gonna go to the color wheel thing, and I'm gonna make it like a light pink. I think like that. And that looks good to me. I'm gonna come back when it's done. Alright, so I just finished. This is the finished vision board. I'm gonna put it up on the screen so y'all can see it. I'm gonna go over a few things. Top left, we have a Canon G7X. That's the camera I'm actually filming on. And we have the YouTube underneath it. I want to post more on YouTube this year. And then I have a 10K balloon. I want to hit 10K on TikTok, if not more. And then we have the faith above that. I don't know. I kind of like it. Maybe tattoo, possibly. Maybe not. Don't know. Then we have the e.l.f. products. Let's just say collab. Maybe in the future. Not necessarily e.l.f., but I mean e.l.f. would be cool to work with, but also just, you know, working with some makeup brands in my fave. Happy Minds, Happy Life. I just liked that quote. A grad cap. If you don't know, I'm graduating this year, so after this semester I'm officially done with college. We have some packages. Not saying too much on that one. To the left of that we have a computer. Not gonna go too much into that one either. Let's just say work related. Underneath it we have some money, of course, because I want to make money, different streams of income. Then we have the journal to the right of that, and it says the 5-minute journal. I want to get back into journaling because I used to do it at one point. Like, my boyfriend had got me this one journal that like gives you prompts, but I want to get back into it because I fell off, and I actually really like journaling, and I want to like see my progression, and then also like not like a diary to like write about my days, but like one, to write about what I'm thankful for, and then two, like write down goals. Or then we have an airplane. Definitely want to be traveling. So I have 2 trips already like set for next year. One's gonna be like upcoming, and then one of them is November. Above that I put consistency. I just want to stay consistent. I know I have it in me, it's just like so much be going on, and then I'd be tired. So like if I could just stay consistent. And then we have some perfume bottles. I think that's the last picture. I have the perfume bottles because I want to receive PR, whether it's through a like agency, specifically fragrance, makeup, not really skincare. Skincare is not too much of my thing for real, but I mean it'd be cool as far as like brands that I'm familiar with. But yeah, I hope you guys like my 2024 vision board. Those are some of my goals for this year. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button down below. I'd love for you guys to stick around in the new year. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys in the next one. And stay blessed, not too stressed.